we are walking down through a nice hiking trail to the old town, but so far it's just so beautiful. Nature around us. Even they have a wild garlic here, all over. Smells wild garlic everywhere. Streets all around us. Town of Zug has also beautiful promenade along the lake, and it's quite long, and yeah, we've been blessed today with amazing weather, and also it's a public holiday for some of Swiss people, so there's lots of them around us, but it's really pretty all around. Lovely promenade.